Dear fellow marketer, if Facebook has ever blocked your ad account or banned your profile, you need to hear this. What if Facebook banned your main account right now? In one instant, you'd lose everything. Your profile built over years, connected Instagram accounts, all ad accounts, business manager access, and thousands in potential revenue. This nightmare hits thousands of marketers daily. But there's a bulletproof solution. Introducing Facebook Freedom Blueprint. Here's the breakthrough. We've cracked the code on combining traffic arbitrage, traditionally used in CPA marketing, with regular affiliate marketing to create an unstoppable profit system. While most marketers drown in ad spend chasing pennies, you'll reverse the equation, turning paid traffic into a money printing machine using unlimited backup accounts that protect your main profile. The game-changing strategy: run unlimited Facebook accounts from any country without risking your main account. Use traffic arbitrage to profit from the gap between ad costs and conversion earnings. Deploy self-liquidating funnels that make more than you spend on traffic. Build a valuable buyers list while staying profitable from day one. This isn't CPA marketing. This isn't traditional affiliate marketing. This is the hybrid approach that combines the best of both worlds, letting you scale profitable campaigns while building long-term assets that pay you repeatedly. Why we call it Facebook Freedom Blueprint. Our self-liquidating funnel system ensures you make more money than you pay for traffic. This means true freedom from account bans, from financial stress, and from the limitations that keep most marketers stuck. Ready to bulletproof your business and unlock unlimited Facebook traffic?